Hello again. So today another harvesting day. The phone was not charged, that's why I didn't manage to shoot from the beginning of the day, but now it's time for box making. So today we are here we are preparing the boxes, like we making a mixed vegetable box. Already my wife, she harvested almost everything. So today's box have tomato and corn, and we have the beans, the long one, and cucumber, and we have the carrots. We need to move it to the shade. And here in the water you will find the salad and the chard. And I think we didn't get yet the arugula. So yeah. Today is a tough day. Boxes start. So carrots laid out. So arugula rocket in, harvested. And chard in the box. And now is the corn. This is like field corn. It's Italian, small type. You can do it boiled and then briefly fried. It's so nice and tasty with some salt. Each box takes 3. If it's a good size, small, maybe 4 or 5.
Schauen wir mal. Mach weiter. Nein, die Tomate nicht, die kannst du essen. So, noch eine da rein. Nicht die Tomate, nein, nein, nein. So, Gurken. Sehr gut. Ist eine kleine? Na gut, tun wir sie da rein.
Beans on. Yeah, it's a type of beans that you can make bunch out of it. It's so weird. It's so nice. And the people like it so much. The boxes are ready. Today is just 15 bucks and we have two drop point. And this is extra stuff for the boxes people ordered. Here we are in one of our drop points. We already delivered more than the half of the boxes, and this is what remain, and we are waiting for the people to come with all the family in downtown of Genova, Italy.